Okay, so here we go with the continuation of our trades that we've been setting, and we're looking at here waiting for, well, in fact there's a yellow trigger that executed while we've been away, and we're going to have a look at that one. We're still waiting for a white trigger here. Here's another trade that had executed on the Australian that's still in progress. We can see that going on down here. Waiting for a white trigger here, and the yen trades we're still waiting for the white triggers. So again, we've got the times up here in the corner, Calgary time. So every time I click the space bar, we're looking at a 5-minute progression. So you can see here that this one is chugging along. We placed this before the swap came in, so that's the difference between the interest rates between Australia and the United States. We've got a $200,000 trade going here. So we're going to make sure we make the swap back. And here we go, 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later, now we're into positive territory up in here now, as you can see. And let's just see what happened to that trade. There we go, it closed out, it hit the take profit. And what was that? 676. Now, as a matter of fact, when I looked at this here, we brought up the, what trade was this one here? The euro, this trade here that executed. So we made $240 on that one, and I've got the 676 one here as a snapshot right at the end of the presentation. So let's just see how this thing went along now. So I'm just going to chug through this, and we'll see. In fact, we had something there. What was that little glitch? Oh yeah, I zoomed in here. So if we look at the euro, I zoomed in on the euro, and we can see blue crossed white, beautiful drop. It's hit yellow. And our next target is definitely a yellow trigger, sorry, a white trigger. So we probably changed that. There we go, to white. So we reset that one to white, is what that was all about. Okay, so let's just continue chugging through until we get right to the very end here. I'm zooming in and zooming out, so you can see here that the white trigger is what we're waiting for. White trigger here, we're waiting for a white trigger here and a white trigger here. And the yens now are moving probably, hopefully, in the right direction towards that. White lines as well. So let's get right through to the end of the session. It's right up to, what time is it now? 6 a.m. in the morning. It's coming up to, and then hey presto, that's the last snapshot I took at 7:50. So we're looking now at, what did we do? Let's just go back one, boom. So I'm zoomed in on these charts. We've taken another trade here, a manual trade as a matter of fact. It was very close to yellow. And let's see what we can do. But 676, if you can remember, was the earlier one that we took, and we got 366 out of that one. So that was again another $500 day we've had, not too shabby. We'll look at the results in more detail a bit later on. Okay, so that's it for now, and let's take some more snapshots, take some more trades, and see where we're up to tomorrow.